Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Sunday debate. The NCB crackdown has been relentless. This coming week, one of the biggest stories will be the continuing summons and the investigations into the Bollywood drugs case. Not a single lead is going uninvestigated. The coming 7 days are very crucial. As of now, here's the update. Peddlers are in custody and boy are they singing. The phone records have revealed big names, big stars are under the radar, and in the upcoming days, more summons are expected. The buck does not stop at just summoning Deepika, Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor. Now the top actors are dialing their lawyers, the false bravado they had is evaporating, and trouble is brewing for the Bollywood druggies. So today is a great time for this Bollywood druggie brigade to introspect and snap back into reality. Because if they think they can get away, they won't. If they think their coached replies have worked, they haven't. If they think they cannot be taken into custody, they can. If they think their claims of private life will work, no, they will not. If they think they are above the law, they should know that the law is catching up with them. So if they think that the industry does not need to be answerable for drug ties, Pakistan links, mafia connections, and its rampant insult on our soil, they should hear it loud and clear. There is no such thing as creative liberty or artistic freedom which infringes on national interest. Those who give lectures on honesty, build campaigns on depression, hold shows on social issues are all exposed today with their stone-cold silence on drugs. Viewers, India is watching, and Indians are taking note. And there will be no fanfare for druggies in our great nation. So this Sunday debate, the question is simple. Is it time for Bollywood to shun all pretenses, give up the arrogance, and go to rehab? My hashtag for the Sunday debate is Bollywood needs rehab. Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.